I'm excited to show some magic and really build something powerful for an organization. Here we can see Joule Studio, where I can extend, build, and integrate agents. And what I really love about it, it's fully integrated with the SAP ecosystem, and I can build enterprise-grade agents without writing a single line of code. Joule has already taken the findings from the process consultant demo that we showed before, and I can use them to build the new pricing validation agent. This is where we tell Joule what we need to achieve rather than how we actually do it. It's a game changer for how we deliver value for our clients. And this is where we start to see Joule acting less like a tool and more like a colleague and coworker, where it checks and asks us critical clarifying questions such as, what's the source of our pricing data? Or what really drives success in this scenario? And as I'm going through these answers, one of the things that I think is extremely powerful is it's fully integrated with our agent landscape, where in this case we can see that it's already identified 2 existing governed agents that we have deployed that are already do part of the job. This is automatically included in our solution. And from this generated intent, I get transparency into what is the problem statement, what is the business context, what are the relevant source systems and data domains that are included in this, as well as taking a look at what is the recommended solution for this agent. From all of this context, what I'm able to do is automatically generate the product requirements document that have historically taken us weeks or days to generate this type of blueprint, that we now have at a click of a button and get in just minutes. What we're able to do is, within this product requirements document, is verify that this is the intent, this is what we need to build this agent, as well as if we need to make any adjustments, such as adding a margin threshold of 1.5% to make sure it has that baseline. Now it's time for Joule Studio to start doing the building, and we can build the solution, and that's kind of really all of the heavy lifting that's done on my side. And we're able to go and generate, and I'm just going to move over here as we generate the actual solution. And as we're going through this and as we're building this, what we're able to do is jump to a completed agent already. And from this completed agent, what we're able to do is take a look at all of the unit testing scenarios that were identified and built, as well as take a look at the underlying solution with the integration with N8N to see how each of these 3 individual agents are orchestrated together to solve this complex problem, and being able to see what that entire end-to-end workflow looks like. As well as we're able to dive deeper into the design and take a look at all of the configuration and capabilities that are built into this solution. Everything from what are the tools and skills to what are the individual evaluations that are needed for this solution. This is based on our data, our landscape, and really what is needed to check the success of this. And this type of solution is exactly what it takes to reduce pricing disputes and protect margin at scale. This is really how we turn expertise into agents that run the business from insight to impact to value.